Do you know the benefits of watermelon for the body? Hydration. With its high water content, over 90%, watermelon helps keep you hydrated, especially during hot summer days. Nutrient-rich, watermelon is packed with essential vitamins like vitamins A, C, and B6. It also contains minerals like potassium and magnesium. Antioxidants. Watermelon is a rich source of antioxidants like lycopene, which may help protect against certain diseases and promote overall well-being. Heart health. The lycopene and other beneficial compounds found in watermelon have been associated with a lower risk of heart disease and improved cardiovascular health. Digestive health. Watermelon contains fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Eye health. Vitamin A and other antioxidants in watermelon can contribute to maintaining good vision and eye health. Weight management. With its high water content and low calorie count, watermelon can be a satisfying snack that supports weight management goals. Refreshing and delicious. Watermelon is a naturally sweet and refreshing fruit, making it a tasty treat and a healthy alternative to sugary snacks. Remember to enjoy watermelon in moderation as part of a balanced diet, as it does contain natural sugars.